Meaning of freeload.
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 Freeload. The term freeload refers to the act of receiving benefits or services without contributing anything in return. It commonly implies taking advantage of another person's generosity or resources without reciprocating. This behavior is considered selfish, exploitative, and unethical. Freeloaders are often criticized for their lack of effort and unwillingness to contribute to the common good. In a larger context, freeloading can also refer to individuals or entities who benefit from public resources such as social welfare programs or public infrastructure without paying their fair share through taxes or other means.